Have you ever stared at a blank screen, struggling to transform your thoughts into engaging words? It's a common scenario that many new bloggers face. The process of blog writing can be a challenging one. Writer's block is a familiar foe, often striking when you least expect it and leaving you in a frustrating cycle of starting and stopping. Then, there's the issue of time. Crafting a well-researched and thoughtful blog post isn't something that happens in the blink of an eye. It requires time, a luxury that not everyone has in abundance. Consistency is another hurdle. The pressure to regularly produce high-quality content can be overwhelming, especially when you're trying to balance blogging with other commitments. And let's not forget about the importance of quality. In the crowded blogosphere, compelling and unique content is the key to attracting and retaining readers. But what if there was a tool that could help you overcome these challenges? Enter the world of artificial intelligence, a game changer in the world of blogging. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Imagine having a dedicated writer that never tires, never gets writer's block, and is always ready to create content. That's what AI blog writers offer. These advanced systems utilize natural language processing, an aspect of AI that enables them to generate human-like text. It's as if you're talking to a human, but it's a machine doing the heavy lifting. The advantages are numerous. You get increased productivity as your AI writer can churn out articles at a faster rate than any human could. You get consistency, ensuring your blog maintains a steady voice and style. And perhaps most importantly, you get SEO-friendly content, increasing your blog's visibility and reach. Imagine the hours you could save and the quality content you could produce with the help of AI. Are you enjoying the video so far? If you're finding our dive into the world of AI blog writing helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could hit the like button below. Not only does it show us your support, but it helps other bloggers discover this game-changing tool. If you know someone who might benefit from AI blog writing, don't hesitate to share this video with them. Remember, knowledge is power, and sharing it only amplifies its impact. And if you're eager to stay updated on the latest in AI and blogging, consider subscribing to our channel. We're always exploring new topics that can help you level up your blogging game. Now, let's continue our journey into the world of AI blog writing. Still skeptical? Why not test the waters? If you're itching to find a new approach to your blog writing, consider giving AI a shot. There's an array of AI writing tools out there, each with its own set of impressive features. Some of these tools excel at grammar checks, ensuring your posts are error-free and professional. Others shine when it comes to content suggestions, offering you a fresh perspective or a new angle to tackle your topic. Maybe you're worried about sounding robotic or losing your unique voice. But fear not, AI is not about replacing your creativity. It's about complementing it. It's about making your writing process smoother, faster, and more efficient. So why not give it a try? Take one of your blog post ideas and let an AI tool guide you. Using AI doesn't mean compromising on your unique voice. It's about enhancing your writing and making the process more efficient. Well, the world is moving fast, and technology is leading the way. In the bustling realm of digital content, where every word counts and every post matters, embracing the power of artificial intelligence or AI can give bloggers a definitive edge. Imagine a tool that helps you craft compelling content, optimizes it for search engines, and even suggests topics based on trending searches and your blog's niche. That's what an AI blog writer can do for you. It's like having a tireless assistant working round the clock, helping you create, edit, and perfect your posts. But remember, even as AI lends a hand, the heart of a blog is still human. It's your unique voice, your experiences, your creativity that breathe life into your words. AI is just a tool, a powerful one indeed, but it's you who wield it. Don't let the fear of the new hold you back. Embrace AI and take your blogging to the next level.